Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Starter Podcast.
Hi there, I'm Ben, and I'm happy to be here with you today.
And I'm Anna. This podcast helps you learn English in a simple and fun way.
That's right. In each episode, we practice easy English conversations for beginners.
You can listen, repeat, and learn how to speak naturally in everyday situations.
So, if you're just starting to learn English, don't worry. We'll speak slowly and clearly for you.
Today's topic is a day in the city.
Anna and I will go out together to a cafe, a market, and a park.
You'll hear how we use simple English to talk, ask questions, and enjoy the day.
Are you ready to start?
Let's go! Good morning, Ben. How are you today?
Good morning, Anna. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well. How about you?
I slept okay, but I woke up a little late this morning.
Oh, really? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 o'clock. And you?
I woke up at 6:30. I made breakfast before I left.
That sounds nice. What did you have for breakfast?
I had toast and a cup of coffee.
Yum! I only had cereal and tea.
Are you ready to go to the cafe now?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
And I will have a latte, please.
Sure. 1 cappuccino and 1 latte. Got it. Also, 1 croissant, please.
I'll take a chocolate muffin.
Perfect. A croissant and a chocolate muffin. Would you like to eat here or take away? We'll eat here, please. Great. I'll bring your order soon. Here you go. 1 cappuccino, 1 latte, a croissant, and a chocolate muffin. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Everything looks delicious.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee. How is everything?
It's perfect. The cappuccino is very good.
Yes, and the latte tastes great too.
I'm glad to hear that. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. This cafe is really nice.
Thank you. We just opened 2 months ago.
Oh, really? It's beautiful inside. Very cozy.
Thanks. We want everyone to feel relaxed here.
You did a great job. The music is soft and the lights are warm.
Thank you. Would you like some water or anything else?
No, thank you. We're fine for now.
Okay. Just call me if you need anything.
The people here are very friendly.
Yes, it feels nice to sit and talk here.
So, what are your plans for today?
I want to buy some fruits and vegetables at the market, then maybe go to the park.
That sounds good. I also want to go shopping.
Perfect. After the cafe, we can go to the market.
Yes. Let's finish our drinks first.
Are you ready to go to the market now?
Yes, let's go. Wow, there are so many people here today.
Yes, it's very busy and colorful too. Look at all the fruits.
Hello.
Hello! Welcome! What would you like today?
How much are the apples?
The apples are $3 per kilo. They're very sweet.
And the bananas? $2 per kilo, fresh from the farm this morning.
Great. I'll take 1 kilo of apples, please.
And I'll take 2 kilos of bananas.
Sure. Anything else?
how about these oranges?
They're very juicy. $4 per kilo.
Okay, 1 kilo, please.
All right. 1 kilo of oranges.
Here you go. 1 bag of apples, 2 of bananas, and 1 of oranges.
Thank you. How much in total?
That's $11, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Everything looks so fresh.
Yes, all from local farms nearby.
That's great. We'll come back again soon.
You're always welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
The people here are very kind.
Yes, and the prices are good too.
Let's go to the park now and enjoy the day.
Great idea. Let's go.
The weather is very nice today.
Yes, the sun is shining and it's not too hot.
Look at the children playing. They look very happy.
And the birds are singing. I love this place.
Shall we sit on that bench?
Good idea. Let's sit and rest for a little while.
I like spending time with you, Ben.
Me too, Anna. It's fun and relaxing.
Look at that dog over there. It's very cute.
Yes, it is. I like its small brown ears.
Do you have a pet, Ben?
Yes, I have a cat at home.
Oh, I like cats too. What's its name?
Its name is Milo. He is very playful.
That's a nice name. I have a dog. Her name is Bella.
Bella. That's cute.
She likes running in the park.
Maybe one day we can bring our pets here.
That would be fun.
By the way, do you want some water? I see a small shop nearby.
Yes, please. I'm a little thirsty. Hello. Can I have 2 bottles of water, please? Sure. Here you go. That's $2. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I feel better.
Me too. It's important to drink water, especially on sunny days.
Shall we walk along the small lake?
Yes, I like looking at the ducks and the flowers. Look, Anna. There are some white ducks in the lake.
Oh, yes. They're swimming together. So cute.
And look at that big white swan. It's standing near the tree.
Wow, it's so beautiful and elegant.
There are also many flowers around the lake.
Yes, red, yellow, and pink ones. Let's take a picture.
Good idea. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Perfect. I'll post it later and write, "A lovely day in the city park."
Nice. It really is a lovely day.
Then, do you come to this park often?
Yes, sometimes on weekends. I like walking here in the morning.
That's nice. It's a good place to relax and think.
Yes, and it's not far from my home.
I think next time we can bring our pets here.
Good idea. Bella and Milo will love it.
Yes, they can run and play together. Look, the sun is starting to go down.
Yes, it's getting late. We should go home soon.
Thank you for spending the day with me, Ben.
You're welcome, Anna. I had a really good time.
Me too. Let's meet again tomorrow.
Sure. Maybe we can go somewhere new.
That sounds great.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you. Have a nice evening.
You too, Anna. Bye.
That was a wonderful day in the city, Ben.
Yes, it was. We had coffee, went to the market, and relaxed in the park.
And we practiced a lot of useful English sentences for everyday life.
We hope you enjoyed listening and learned some new words and expressions today.
Remember, the best way to learn English is to listen often and practice speaking every day.
That's right. You can listen to this episode again and repeat the sentences with us.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel, English Starter Podcast.
And don't forget to share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
See you next time for another fun and easy English conversation.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye. Have a great day.